trash into treasure. How do we do construction waste? This is the world we are living in. Constructions, buildings, and cities make our lives more safe and more convenient. But as we know, constructions need sand and aggregates. Where do we get that? From mountains, from rivers. At the same time, aging buildings and constructions got demolished, and this leads to problems. Waste of money for land, for cleaning, for transportation, etc. Bad city look. Safety hazard. Land occupancy. Air pollution. Dust, fume, toxic gas, etc. Water pollution. Degrades soil quality. So, what can we do for you? First, let's analyze the construction waste, and we can see most of it are concrete, brick, and sand, which are all breakable and recyclable. Please check what do we do about construction waste in China. First station, Xi'an. This plant was set up in 2010 in Xi'an City, the capital of Shanxi Province. Invested by the government, it processes the demolished buildings from urbanization into cubical 0 to 5 millimeters, 5 to 10 millimeters, 10 to 20 millimeters, 20 to 40 millimeters aggregates for construction. Second station, Wuhan. This plant was set up in 2012 in Wuhan City, the capital of Hubei Province. Owned by a national famous construction company, it possesses the demolished buildings into aggregates for its own housing projects locally. After project completion, they sold the portable crusher to a nearby quarry. Third station, Beijing. This plant was set up in 2013 in Beijing City, the capital of China, for renewal of old city. Fourth station, Chongqing. This plant was set up in 2015 in Chongqing, the biggest city in western China. Invested by the government, it processes the demolished buildings from urbanization into cubical 0 to 5 millimeters, 5 to 10 millimeters, 10 to 20 millimeters, 20 to 40 millimeters aggregates for construction. Fifth station, Zhengzhou. This plant was set up in 2015 in Zhengzhou City, the capital of Henan Province. As the key municipal project leading by provincial government, it processed construction wastes into bricks and aggregates for concrete. Sixth station, Shenzhen. This plant was set up in 2019 in Shenzhen, one of the most developed cities in China. Since it is mobile crusher, it is hard to control the dust or noises, so it works at night for most of the time. So, basically, this is what we do here. And then, what can we get from construction waste? Every 1 billion tons of construction waste got processed. It means we got 243 billion pieces of bricks, or 360 million tons of aggregates, or $13 billion new output value. Also, it means we reduced 13 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions, or 27 million tons of coal burning, or 100 million square meters of land occupation. For example, a 5 meters length, 30 meters width, and 0.2 meter thickness road base consumes 3,000 cubic meters construction waste. If we use soil instead, we need to dig a 733 square meters hole with 4 meters deep. Liming Heavy Industry provides you one-stop solution for dust control, enclosed industrial building, backfilter, water mist cannons, for noise control, low noise design equipment, enhanced shock absorption, enclosed industrial building, enhanced greening and afforestation, etc., for steel bars and iron things, pre-screening above the hopper, iron separators, for doors, windows, furnitures, paper, clothes, dust, soil, etc. 1.1. To separate them out by machine. 1.2. To separate them out by human. 2. To crush for further use. We process construction waste to protect our Mother Earth by saving the environment from overexploration, and to turn waste into treasure by recovering and utilizing the existing and potential construction waste. Liming Heavy Industry, your best business partner.